Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add calcium hardness increaser. First, understand that proper calcium levels are crucial for your pool's health. Maintaining calcium hardness between 200 and 400 parts per million prevents equipment corrosion and plaster etching. Low calcium makes water corrosive, potentially damaging surfaces and components. This simple method helps protect your investment. Before adding any chemicals, always test your pool water to get an accurate calcium hardness reading. Use a reliable test kit for precision. Once you know your current level, calculate the exact amount of calcium hardness increaser required to reach the ideal range. Remember, adding too much too quickly can cause temporary cloudiness. Now for the easy method. First, dissolve the pre-measured calcium hardness increaser in a 5-gallon bucket of water. Stir it thoroughly until it's fully dissolved. Then, with your pool pump running, slowly pour the dissolved solution around the perimeter of your pool. This ensures even distribution and prevents localized high concentrations. After adding the calcium, let your pool pump run for at least 8 hours to ensure complete circulation. Retest your water after 24 hours to confirm the new calcium hardness level. If needed, you can make further small adjustments. Maintaining proper calcium hardness is a key part of pool care. Also, check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.